What is up, you guys? We're here today with special guest, Chris McNugget. Welcome back, my friend.
Thank you.
It is great to have you, as always.
Yeah,
and
good to be
we
back.
specifically saved this video for you because
Why?
you are a spinning acrobatic skateboarder of finesse and yoink.
It says Airhead.
And yoink?
And yoink, yes. So we figured if you were to lock your feet into something, you would be able to do a lot of very cool things on it.
Yeah,
and probably have a good time doing it.
Definitely have a good time.
So that's why we're here. Oh, we also have Carlos and Fetty.
Hi.
Yeah, I guess we can just start off by taking this thing down a few ramps and seeing what you can do with it on the flat ground. And then we can put some trucks and wheels on it and see how it does.
Oh, so this is kind of like a hack.
I think we should just read what this says real quick. This is a fun entry-level snowboard, durable hardwood construction, easy adjustable Velcro bindings, no metal edges, so it's not for resort use. So let's open this up. The Airhead Snow Ryder 110. Oh, it's only for 50 to 100 pounds. Carlos, you're right in that range. You know, we convinced Uzi Dan that Carlos weighed 74 pounds, and he believed it for a solid 3 weeks.
I am the airhead of the Braille crew, so. No problem. The craziest thing is this. Oh, that's actually really cool.
That's the second time in the last 30 seconds I almost died on that bank. You gotta strap in now, and then have it, you know, like that, and then pop in. Here, let me help.
That's why. I did go right to my butt.
Come on, give me your arm, give me your hand. Grab him by the... Oh. Grab him by the thigh. There you go.
Oh, I rocked my insides.
Is that like lean, huh?
Fetty is being uncharacteristically uninvolved right now. What's going on? Exactly what happened with the other one, the snow skate.
There's gonna be one thing I'm gonna make you do before the end of the year. It's gonna be dangerous, okay? No. It's just not sliding, man. Okay. That's not any problem.
All I know is it's gonna be good either way.
No.
Oh! I landed, I don't know what you're talking about. Alright, well obviously it doesn't work.
Carlos, what are you thinking, man? You know, I'm just trying to be a good friend. You know, that's it. This thing was good while it lasted, but it's gonna break already. Went remarkably well. Five stair or beautiful snowy slope, same thing. Tease. Carlos, let's bungee you. If he just locked into it and then held on to the bungee, do you think he'd slide? Probably. I think so too. He kind of got stuck at the very end and you could see a little panic jump.
Time for trucks.
Trucks, you're right. Two things. First off, that was the single most loud thing I've ever heard. Second off, I'm completely surprised that they both landed that.
Oh! One
All right, back to...
Like, just get like a skimboard, but have like, I don't know, some kind of like ball bearings on the bottom. It's not like a skateboard, but it rolls still for like a, yeah.
Hopefully when we put the trucks on, this video doesn't go downhill. This is a black diamond build. Oh, come on, talk to me. Don't be an airhead. Man, is it snowing out here? Or do I just have the cold shoulder? I really ski what you're doing there. I'm waiting for a reaction from you.
I'm trying to get his reaction.
I already know everyone in the comments is like, Gabe, shut up. And I'm just not gonna shut up.
Magic flarp.
What? Is that the response in which you were waiting for?
No.
What is magic flurp?
My bunny can skateboard, and I have a clip of him like almost like he like did like a, I don't know what it's called, this tail scrape, and then he went back down.
Sounds slick.
Oh!
Look at all this fresh powder.
Oh yes! I was waiting for that. Yes.
All done, ladies.
Like that then.
The struggle of every single Braille video is controlling the guys after we build it to not skate it so we can get a good thumbnail first.
Can Gabe be a thumbnail today?
You know, when you look at it from far away, the trucks are very, very close together.
How are we supposed to board slide a rail?
You just pop on there, man.
Well, I can't move. Three away!
That's smooth.
At least he put the trucks on straight, so can't complain there.
Dude, that looks fun.
You wanna try it?
I actually do really want to try it,
He's
yeah.
gonna try it. We actually convinced Gabe to put
I would
something
absolutely
on to try
be
it.
honored to try that Carlos last try.
Alright, bro. Alright.
Yeah!
Dude, slow-mo that.
Not gonna lie, that looks like a lot of fun. Where?
I'm gonna do this video again.
Carlos, I want to see like the best shifty ever. Like the most shifty of all time.
It's easy. You see that tweak in the air?
Yeah, I did tell him to get a really good
It
shifty.
kind of feel like snowboarding.
And that was sick.
We're gonna see if you'll notice it.
He fully hit the ledge and
was
still
insane.
landed it.
Test of courage. It's still scary.
Dude, no, I wish you could have seen that angle though.
I'm gonna see it. What should we conquer next? You guys are killing it right now.
All those were luckily first tries. Look at
Oh my gosh.
Hold on, I gotta strap in. It's better to take the time to do it right. Just anything. It applies to most things. Take your time, do it right, and then you don't have to go back and like fix anything you messed up on because you're lazy. I'm still learning that to this day. Oh! This was awesome. Oh! Falling sucks more though.
You next, ready?
You're gonna get like the most popped out blunts ever.
I think I got the 180s down pretty good. Hey, I think I'm gonna be good at snowboarding. I feel pretty
Oh,
good.
yes, you are.
He spun so fast, I thought it was a 720.
Was that at least close?
Yeah. He's like, was I at least close? Dude, I mean, yeah, but
Next
you
try.
ate it, dude.
Oh my god. Well, it's scary for me, but Carlos will do it first try. Yeah, uno más.
That means one more time. That looked like it hurt.
Yes.
I fight it in me.
Dude, that was amazing.
It like keeps slipping out.
The only thing that would have made that better is if you went through the wall completely. Someone's on this side of the wall and just chilling. A Carlos just comes flying through to the other side of the wall.
Through the grass board.
Yeah.
Is this the right way?
Oh!
feel like we had a real discussion right now. I feel better.
Ever seen Fetty do anything more gentle?
That was great.
You didn't even have to try.
Just the tone of your voice made it way better.
He said it's a weird day. I don't ask. I like Fetty when he's in these moods.
A word for the opposite of toast, but for ice, like frostbite.
Frostbite's like, yeah, when your hands get so cold that they turn purple and like you lose your fingers, right?
That'd be the equivalent, like the opposite spectrum of getting toasted or burnt, right? That was so good.
Yes, that was very nice.
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click to my left for more videos and playlists that you guys will enjoy. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for anything skateboarding related that you will ever need. You will not be disappointed.